Introducing Narrator. Narrator is a screen reading app that's built into Windows 11, so there's nothing you need to download or install. This guide describes how to use Narrator with Windows so that you can start using apps, browsing the web, and more. Narrator lets you use your PC without a mouse to complete common tasks if you're blind or have low vision. It reads and interacts with things on the screen, like text and buttons. Use Narrator to read and write email, browse the internet, and work with documents. Specific commands let you navigate Windows, the web, and apps. Navigation is available using headings, links, landmarks, and more. You can read text, including punctuation, by page, paragraph, line, sentence, word, and character, as well as determine characteristics like font and text color. Efficiently review tables with row and column navigation. Narrator Home. Every time you turn on Narrator, you'll go to Narrator Home, which gives you one place where you can open everything you need, whether you want to change your narrator settings or learn basics with QuickStart. The links at Narrator Home include QuickStart, Narrator Guide, which takes you to this online user guide, what's new, settings, and feedback. You can also control whether Narrator Home opens when Narrator starts in Narrator settings or by using the checkbox on Narrator Home. 2 ways to start and stop Narrator. Press the Windows logo key plus Control plus Enter together to start Narrator. Press these keys again to stop Narrator. On older versions of Windows, the command was the Windows logo key plus Enter. On many keyboards, the Windows logo key is located on the bottom row of keys to the left or right of the Alt key. Press the Windows logo key plus Control plus N to open Narrator settings, and then turn on the toggle under Use Narrator. Note, when you're signing in or accessing some menus, the accessibility icon will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Selecting the accessibility icon opens a menu with a toggle switch that you can use to turn Narrator on or off. Narrator will turn off once you sign in or exit the screen. Start Narrator automatically before or after you sign in to your PC. 1. Press the Windows logo key plus Control plus N to open Narrator settings. 2. To start Narrator automatically after you sign in, select the checkbox Next. To start Narrator after sign in for me. 3. To start Narrator automatically before sign in for all users, select the checkbox Next to start Narrator before sign in for everyone. What's new? Version released in October 2021. To give Microsoft feedback, press Narrator, caps lock, plus Alt plus F while Narrator is running. New or notable commands. New Narrator commands in Windows 11. Triple tap with 2 fingers, dismisses context menus, imitates the Escape key. New commonly used Windows hotkeys in Windows 11. Windows logo key plus A opens Quick Settings. Windows logo key plus C opens Teams Chat. Windows logo key plus N opens Notification Center. Windows logo key plus W opens Widgets. Control plus E opens Search in most apps. Control plus F opens Search in the Windows Store. Commonly used accessibility hotkeys for Narrator and accessibility. Narrator plus Control plus D, get the web page source of a link. Narrator plus S, get a web page summary. Narrator plus S twice quickly, get the web page summary and popular links dialog box. Narrator plus H, turn on or off Outlook column header reading. Narrator plus Alt plus F, give feedback on Narrator. Windows logo key plus plus sign, plus open magnifier. Windows logo key plus U, opens accessibility settings landing page. Narrator Basics. This chapter explains Narrator keyboard navigation. This includes how to get around the screen, Find and open apps, and change what narrator reads. It also explains the basic details of adjusting narrator speech rate, volume, and how to stop speech. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel.